Last night I realized I'm dangerously close to failing my 2021 quilt resolution. I was going to make a Bjorn Bear block every month and add custom applique that would reflect the things that happened that month. But life happened and I only finished 4 blocks. So last night I cut enough fabric for 4 more bear blocks, and today I'll try to get them all sewn together. Then I'll do it again tomorrow, and finally on Thursday I'll attempt to put it all together with some sashing. If it all goes as planned, I should have a finished quilt top minus the custom applique, and I'll have a whole extra day to relax before the new year. I really should stop making resolutions, but I already have one picked out for 2022. So wish me luck, I guess. Fingers crossed I won't have to rush to get it done at the end of next year.